Let me introduce myself. I'm the CEO of a guaranteed admission agency. More than 20 years of working experience in overseas study industry like American study application, UK study application, and Hong Kong, Singapore, and etc. And former professor in Capital University Business and Economics in China. Double doctor degree in interpretation and finance. Accompanied Harvard professor to visit China for many times. Interpreter for ambassadors and senior government officers of more than 60 countries. Interpreter of Raphael E. Luna, admission officer at Harvard University and a professor at Harvard Business School. English-Chinese simultaneous interpreter for the United Nations. Senior interpreter for China National Development and Reform Committee, NDRC. Consecutive interpreter for Chief Officer in British Customs. Interpreter for Li Zhaoxing, former Chinese Foreign Minister and Ambassador in the United States. Consecutive interpreter for Alex Salmond, First Minister of Scotland, make effort to achieve diplomatic relations between the two countries. China has sent 2 giant panels to Scotland. Photo taken with British Embassy officials in China. Teach GRE to Brad A., a professor of Tsinghua University. Lecturing to PhD students of Petro China, CNPC. Lecture at more than 100 universities across China. My family background: my father is Japanese, mother is Chinese. The father is a sales manager of Saiyi Shiban in Japan, Tokyo. A close friend with Yukio Idano, Japan current members of Parliament. Idano. A close friend with Keith Rasher, president of the New York Times. From my interpretation working experience, study abroad application experience, and my family background, I have chance to meet and keep in touch senior government officers in UK, USA, and etc. So from them, I can further build a solid connection with the world top university, especially Ivy House.